Welcome to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to create this 3D model with the help of its drawing. So let's start with the drawing. This is the drawing. In the top view, there is a circle. The circle has a diameter of 15 millimeter and this corner radius is 15 millimeter. Also, from this center to this line, the distance is 18 millimeter and the total distance is 60 millimeter. Also, there is a chamfer which is 9 by 9 on the both edges and the distance from this point to this point is 12 millimeter and there is another slot. The slot thickness is 7 millimeter and this total length is 75 millimeter and the total height of the model is 30 millimeter and this distance is 9 millimeter. So these are the dimensions and now let's start our tutorial. Go to Solidworks, open a new part file, click OK. Change the IPS system into MMGS system. Now select the top plane and sketch. Draw a horizontal center line. Escape. Go to smart dimension. This length is 60 millimeter. Now go to offset entities. Select here this line and type 15 millimeter. Also check bidirectional and cap ends and also arcs. Click OK. Now see this radius is 15 millimeter. You can also check. See this is 15 millimeter as per drawing. So our sketch is overdefined, so simply cross it. Now close the geometry, select the line, draw a vertical line. Now trim entities and trim this extra part. Click OK. Go to features, extruded boss face. Select here blind and type 30 millimeter. Click OK. Now our model has a total height of 30 millimeter as per drawing. Now select the front plane and sketch. Choose here corner rectangle. Go to smart dimension. This length is 60 minus 18. See in the drawing. I want to cut from this point to this point. So see there is 60 and this is 18 and the remaining will be 60 minus 18. So go to SolidWorks and press enter. See this is 42 and the vertical distance will be 12 plus 9 which is equal to 21. See in the drawing 12 plus 9 21. So now go to features, extruded cut. Select here through all both. Now select the front plane and sketch. Go to line command and from this point to this point draw a line. Now escape. Go to features and help command. Type here just 7. Check this center option and make sure that this arrow is in the inward direction. Now see, click OK. Okay, now go to chamfer. Select here distance by distance and choose here symmetric and type here 9 millimeter. And now select both the corners and OK. Now select this top face and sketch. Draw a circle. Put the cursor on the center point and you will see this plus icon. Draw a circle. Go to smart dimension. Diameter is 15 millimeter and the distance from this point to this line is automatically 18 millimeter. You can check 18 millimeter. Okay. So simply cross it. Now go to features, extruded cut, select here through all. See, now press Ctrl 7. Now for the appearance, select the whole part, select appearances and choose here any color you want. I am selecting this color. Click OK. See, this is the final look. Let me show you the diagram. See all the dimensions and this final part. It is similar to our part. So go to Solidworks, Ctrl 7. This is the final look. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.